Once I was asked by a CEO to take over the leadership of an organization that was not living up to his expectation. There were significant morale issues and other concerns that he had as well. We talked about the organization's issues and his other concerns, and then he asked me if I could help resolve their issues. I told him yes, I could. He assigned me as their new leader, and one of the first things that I did was to put people's minds at ease once I assumed the position. I did this by letting the team members know that I would be talking members of the core leadership team, and then I would talk to members of the team as far as those who wanted to share with me their concerns about morale. When I spoke with members of the core leadership team and then followed up with members of the team who wanted to speak with me, I made sure that I listened to them empathetically and I sought from them their input about how to improve morale and still to achieve student learning objectives. Over time, morale improved and we still met the student learning objectives. I tell you this story as a lead-in to my top team building strategies. During my career as an education leader, I led my team of teachers and students to achieve academic success. Achieving academic success is one of the most important objectives for an education organization. As a team leader, I relied on 8 strategies to lead my team to academic achievement, academic success. I want to talk to you about those 8 strategies. The first strategy is to understand expectations for performance. As a team leader, you must clearly understand the expectations for performance. You need to know what your team's success will be based upon. You need to understand what measure will be used to determine your success. You also need to know where does your team stand in relation to performance expectations. Are we below expectations? Is the team right at expectations? Or is the team above expectations? That leads to strategy 2. Strategy 2 is to communicate expectations to all team members. As a team leader, you must communicate the expectations to your core leadership team members first. Your core leadership team members are your team within the team. These are the team members who you discuss things with before sharing them with the entire team. You must be able to trust members of the core leadership team. If you can't trust members of the core leadership team, then you must remove them. Sharing the expectations with the core leadership team members allows the team leader to get buy-in and feedback from core leadership team members. After the communication and discussion has occurred with the core leadership team members, you then proceed to communicate expectations to all remaining team members. You want to convey that everyone on your team is important. No one should be overlooked. That is the case whether they are the custodian or if you have food service person. They're all important. They all need to understand their part in the organization's mission, how they support achieving the objectives. That leads to strategy 3, which is to understand the strengths and weaknesses of your team members. As a team leader, you must learn the strengths and weaknesses of your core leadership team members. Expect them in turn to learn the strengths and weaknesses of their team members. And then when it's necessary, you want your core leadership team members to be able to speak with you about the strengths and weaknesses of their team members. this information should be recorded for formative use on the operational side of the organization. In addition, this information can have value for summative uses as well. For instance, in evaluation purposes, but that is not the focus early in the team building process. That leads to strategy 4, which is to assign team members. As a team member, you must assign team members to positions that maximize the use of their strengths. This is a point where you can use data collected from the previous strategy. A large team might require that you as a team leader delegate the responsibility to core leadership team members. However, keep in mind, as the team leader, you will remain accountable for outcomes. That's worth repeating. If you delegate as a team leader, you will remain accountable for outcomes. Next is strategy 5, which is to communicate expectations. Yes, I talked about communication earlier, but not as a strategy. In this case, it's purposeful to mention communication as a strategy. Communication, of course, will be occurring throughout the process, but in this particular case, using communication as a strategy, the goal is to ensure that the proper message is being sent and received by members of the team. The communication should be occurring in multiple forms and formats. The communication should be occurring by mouth, newsletters, email, Facebook, Twitter, and other appropriate forms or means of communication for the message. Strategy 6 is to monitor and adjust. As a team leader, you must be monitoring the progress of the team towards achieving their objectives. Of course, monitoring alone is not enough. Where necessary, adjustments must be made to ensure the objective will be achieved. Strategy 7, provide training and development. The team leaders must insist on training and development. The primary purpose of training is to increase strengths. The secondary purpose is to shore up weaknesses. Training should help train team members in the immediate strengths that are needed to achieve the objectives of the team. Training may come from internal or external sources, depending on the needs of the organization and the skills that exist within the organization. On the other hand, development takes a more long-term perspective. Development will look more at the future needs of the operation. In addition, development will help to perpetuate the team by preparing people for different roles. That leads to strategy 8, which is to celebrate successes. As the leader, you must select appropriate milestones upon which to celebrate and acknowledge the team's successes as they occur or after their occurrence. In addition, individual accomplishments that play a key role on the team's or in the team's success should be recognized as well. Keep in mind, public recognition is a very good choice in order to inspire other team members to go above and beyond for the team. In concluding this episode, whether your emphasis is on each strategy of the 8 strategies or one strategy more so than the other strategies, it will be based on your specific situation. The adoption and implementation of these 8 strategies will lead the leader to build a top team.